Yo, what's up guys? G35 here, back with another video. Today I am picking up my car, which I had the diffuser and some underglow and an F1 style brake light that I wanted to install. The thing is, the diffuser, I've done it on my 350Z with a friend, but this one, it was a little tougher because we had to do custom brackets. So I'm not too sure how they did it, but I'm picking up the car now, so I'll show you guys how it looks. And the underglow is just something I absolutely needed to have, so I've missed it and it's so much fun. Sorry guys, the light is pretty bright, so my eyes are pretty close, I can't really see much. So yeah, let's get into it. I'll show you guys how the car looks. All this stuff here. Cool shit here too. I saw the Vesan over there outside too. They have some cool shit here. Alright guys, so let's see the car. Here is the car picked up. Here's the diffuser and the third brake light over here, which is looking kind of sick, I'm not gonna lie. Jesus, when I brake it's gonna look really nice, and you can tell like it's forged carbon. You can see the pattern here. It looks really good. I really like it, and the underglow is gonna be fun. Plus I'm gonna get this new spoiler. I'm gonna get rid of that because it's like the OEM stuff, but it's like starting to really look bad. So I need to heat it and remove it, polish. But yeah, basically that's how it looks, guys. Oh my God, it looks really, really good. So I'll show you guys a couple of, when I get the underglow on and the brake lights later tonight, because I don't have time right now to show you everything. But yeah, basically that's it, and I'll see you guys later. Alright guys, so here's the car. This is during the daylight. I put the red underglows right now as of now. I'll show you guys some later. So here's the diffuser. Now, the thing is, the brackets, as you can see, this one is mounting to the top here. This was a custom bracket because the ones that they gave didn't really work with too well. Then they added another bracket here on the left, the black one, and pretty much same thing for here. The big bracket that they gave probably bent a little bit, and then you can see the underglow on the side over there. It's looking really nice. There's so many modes. I'll show you guys at night. There you go. You can see. Freine encore. Plusieurs fois. So you can see in French. Nice. So you see how this bottom one lights. Looks really good. I'm gonna switch the wing. Rewire this back in. The wing is gonna look a lot nicer. The badge, probably the Infinity and the G35. Keep the Infinity logo. Black it out. And that's pretty much what I'm gonna do. So peace, you guys.